MGR.
Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Akash Chaudhary. I am a consultant gastroenterologist at Sai Vani Super Specialty Hospital, Hyderabad. We'll be talking about the aspects of jaundice. Jaundice can be classified as prehepatic, hepatic or post-hepatic. Prehepatic causes can be related to the other is post-hepatic. Post-hepatic causes are seen in the liver due C, which is caused by injection drug use. Then they can come through sexual contact, surgeries with contaminated instruments. So drug induced hepatitis that is caused by some offending drugs like too much ingestion of paracetamol tablets, which are over the counter and should be avoided without a prescription from a doctor. Some drugs like glucocorticoids, NSAIDs, they all should be avoided and should be only taken on a proper prescription from the doctor. Now, how do we work up these cases? The investigations required are liver function test, which will show increase in the total bilirubin, direct bilirubin, liver enzymes, and alkaline phosphatase. Hepatitis antigen, HBeAg, anti-HBe, and HBV DNA. It has a risk of developing cirrhosis of liver followed by liver cancer, which is preventable if caught at an early stage. Hepatitis C, we have to do a HCV RNA and a genotyping. Genotyping is genotype 1, 2, 3 and 4 and ribavirin for 24 weeks or patient should consult the doctor. Viral hepatitis A and E, they have a self-limiting course and they improve gradually with very few complications. Whereas hepatitis B and C, they both can lead to liver disease and they carry a risk of liver cancer. Both are treatable at early stages. Hepatitis B, there are good drugs which are available in the market, and everybody, especially healthcare workers, nurses, and should be vaccinated for hepatitis B. There are combinations of vaccines which are available for hepatitis A and hepatitis B, whereas hepatitis C, there is no vaccination available. For hepatitis B, there are injections like interferon can be given to patients, as well as there are oral nucleotide and nucleoside analogs which are useful to treat these patients. Hepatitis C, the only treatment is interferon with or without ribavirin. The take-home message to my viewers is that whenever you feel yellowish discoloration of the eyes, sclera or the urine, please consult your gastroenterologist.
చూశారు కదండి ఇవాల్టి డాక్టర్ ఎన్జిఆర్. రేపటి డాక్టర్ ఎన్జిఆర్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అంటిల్ దెన్ కీప్ వాచింగ్ ఎన్జిఆర్.